Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function DCOUNT. So D is for database. This function examines a list of information and counts the values in a specified column. It can only count values, the text items and blank cells are ignored. Let's understand with an example. So here we have sales data for different sales groups for different regions across months. Okay, now we want the sales count, not the sum, the count. Wherever we have the data, it needs to find how many data are there, data points. Okay, now we have the let's see, we want to find October sales count for Bangalore, November sales count for Chennai, Hyderabad, December sales for Hyderabad, October sales count for Mysore. And understand that it counts only wherever the values are there. So it will not count the blanks or wherever the texts are there. See, for example, here no data, unknown. It will not count, it will count only the values. And point to remember, 0 is also a value. So if we enter 0, it will count. Just to keep in mind. Yeah. So let's understand with an example. Equals to DCOUNT, open bracket, the database. So we need to select the entire database. So here is our database. Then comma and the field. So we are selling for October. So we click on October. So this field that A needs to check. And what is the criteria? It needs to find the region Bangalore. Close the bracket and you get 3. So here it is blank. So we have here 4 Bangalore. If you see the count, but this is blank. So it's showing us 3 because it found 3 values in column October for region Bangalore. Okay, let's check for Chennai. November sales for Chennai. So DCOUNT, open bracket, database, field, you want November. So November and the criteria. Yeah. Let's check this. DCOUNT. Database, comma, field. Here we are looking for December, so I'll select December, comma, and the criteria. Region Hyderabad. So I'll close. Last one, I'll check for October sales count for Mysore. DCOUNT, open bracket, database, and field we are checking October and the criteria is Mysore region. Close the bracket and we get the 6. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all in this video. I'll see you next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jairam.